Although we have o'r blaen to mean before, as in previous or previously, cyn also means before, as in like prior or something like that. And it's a term which we can do a lot of stuff with. Now, cynnar means early, which comes before most other things, I guess. If you're early, you're before most other stuff. Cynharach or ungynharach means earlier, but it's often shortened to just gynna or gynna in speech. Cynt, I said cynt, get your head out the gutter. That actually means prior or previous. We use it in a phrase like dyddia cynt, which means like former or previous days, or even days gone by, dyddia cynt. And finally, cyntaf, you may have seen that as cynta as well, and that's the superlative term. It literally translates to the beforemost, and we use it these days, however, to equate to the word first, a person cyntaf, the first person. So literally the beforemost person, the person who came before everyone else, first. So remember, in a world of kin, it's all about being ahead of the game, even if it means needing to get your head out the gutter now and again. Stay quirky, stay ahead, and embrace the cyntav in you.